want to thank you all for subscribing, liking, and viewing our videos. We really appreciate it. Thank you, all of you guys.
And we're making cake.
As you can see,
We have all the ingredients.
we're making a chocolate fudge, super moist cake. But the interesting part is,
How to decorate the cake.
but if you want to see it, you have to watch all the way to the end. Don't skip.
Let's get started.
Any cake mix, it doesn't have to be the exact same chocolate fudge super moist cake. You can get any sort of cake mix, but the first thing, obviously, is preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Let's preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to grease the pan.
Preheating is done. Now we're going to put some baking paper and grease it so the cake will not stick.
Let's grease the pan.
Ayla, let me help you in the corners.
Sure, Rahel.
Sure, all corners are properly greased.
Come on, do it.
And I have to do the corners.
Oh, I love you.
And now we can start with the cake.
I just want it to have a little tiny cake. Look at it, guys. It's a chocolate.
I'll put only 4 tablespoons of butter in the mix.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's time to clean up the hands.
So sometimes the eggs have a little blood in them because of the chicks. So I want to put them in this bowl instead of straight in.
Really, I want to see this. Look at it, guys.
So far this one's good. This one in the mixture and pop in the other one.
Now the milk time.
Time to pop the milk in the bowl. 165 ml. Let's do it together with Ayla.
Guys, I'm so excited to make this cake. I'm so excited. Whoa, look at it, guys. Yeah? Look, guys, it's chocolate! It's so cool! Look at it! It's so chocolate! It's so fun! Now we can lick it!
Ayla, I think that's enough.
Here!
The secret part is we're gonna put some dark chocolate chips so it will be extra chocolatey and rich.
Well, that's awesome.
Let's now take it to the oven.
It's gonna be so cool. Together?
Now it's starting. You have to wait 50 to 55 minutes for the cake to bake. In the meanwhile, I haven't tasted any of the mixture, so I am gonna taste.
Let's get some fun.
This is very, very rich.
So rich. Look, a lot of chocolate. chocolate here. Let's taste that
This is the icing cake mix that came with the box. And we need 2 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of butter, and the icing will be ready. This is exactly 2 tablespoons of water.
Let's pour it in. Do you like it? But do you like it when you taste it? It smells gross.
I'm gonna put in the chocolate mixture, so mix it slowly, okay?
I'm excited to see it. Let's see what the chocolate says. It looks good for now. Let's stir. Ooh, this looks. Well, can you lift it up and I can see the chocolate? Well, can you put it up so I can see the chocolate? Whoa! That's cool.
Look how dark it is.
What? How do you...
This is the darkest chocolate I have ever seen.
Have you never seen this?
Have you ever seen a chocolate this dark?
Have you? Are you sure?
Look at it. Just look at it now. It's all pointing towards the center.
There's a little hole. But I
Oh.
love chocolate.
Full with the mixture that we put. 30 minutes until the cake will finish. And me and Ala are going to do a little competition who can blow the biggest balloon in only 20 seconds. Ala, which color do you want?
Yellow.
I'll take blue. 3, 2, 1,
Go!
stop. Let's see whose one is big.
Okay, Rahel, you won.
Next time, I'm going to go easy on that. The cake's done, so now we're going to check it with a toothpick. My mom will do this part because it's dangerous. It's officially done. Now we're just wait for 10 minutes for it to cook. This is my favorite show, and I love it.
Let's make your cake look amazing.
It's such a long cake.
We're
Wait.
putting the icing on.
After this, we're going to do even more things. We flipped it around so it's even. Let's get started.
Lots of chocolate.
The news was just desserts. I'm doing it exactly.
Let's spread it great.
Just make sure. These are the decorations we're going to use to decorate our cake.
First, we need
Some Oreos.
some sprinkles and 2 M&Ms.
The Oreo will not stick, so I'm going to glue it with some ice. Wow, that actually worked.
And after that, I'm gonna add the sprinkles. Okay.
And the last Oreo back.
Now let's add sprinkles.
In the middle. And now she put the sprinkles in.
Time for M&Ms.
Some M&Ms.
Let's add some M&Ms. Tiny M&Ms.
Some many M&Ms. And let's put them in. Maybe stick on the side. Like one here, one here. We have 4 Kit Kat. I understand her because we already have so much sprinkles in the middle. And I think Kit Kat too. So let's put in the cake.
Kit Kat.
Split. And split it again. Split 4 Kit Kats into 8. So now we're going to put these Kit Kats over here.
Yeah, let's put them between the Oreos. What does that mean?
Look at this beauty. It looks so good.
And tasty.
Sadly, we have to refrigerate it for 1 more hour. So we are going to put this in the refrigerator. And when it's done, we will tell you how tasty it is. After 1 hour, it's finally time to do the cake testing. So.
This is good. Kit Kat.
Take it from the side first so you can taste it. Wow. This is good.
Yeah, this side is so big.
This is good.
That's good. Good. Look at the Oreo. I hope you love our cake.
I hope you liked this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified when a brand new video comes out. Bye!